everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to a project share. And this is a Beebeecraft project share on some items I received from them, you guys. So I wanted to show you guys again some of the items I did receive. I will link everything down on the description below so you guys could go over and check them out. And look at these these are like plastic frames and these are so nice, you guys. Look at, oh my gosh, there's a glossy like accent to it, this one is just plain, and that's what they look like. And you just get two different kinds, and as you guys can see, it is a whole bunch of them, you guys. So let me go ahead and leave that there. And then I also got these bows, sorry you guys, and these are come in a few colors. These are the colors that they come in. There's an orange, a purple, like a kind of like a dark pink mauve color, and there is a lighter pink in here. This is the lighter pink right here. Oh, sorry you guys. And this is what they look like. But I love the details on these. These are amazing. Just great quality. And these are like, oh my gosh, they feel like plastic, but they are so amazing. Like I said, the quality of these are so nice. And of course, you get this bag full of them. And here's what they look like. So what did I do with some of these since they're all about the same color, and you know, of course I did want different colors and everything, I went ahead and painted some of these. I did use chalk paint on this one right here. So look at, you guys, that one, what it looks like. And I know I've already showed you a project share on one of them, which is this one right here, and I did color it in a gold color, the little bow right there. So look at how cute is that. So you can always color them. And let me go ahead and show you my other project share that I ended up creating with that one. And of course I did make a stocking, and of course my little bow is right there. And as you guys can see, look at all the detail. Isn't that amazing? Oh my goodness. And then I also did chalk this a little bit. I did put some color on it, some chalk, and chalk, I can't say it, oh my goodness, there you go. So oh my goodness, so that is so cute. And let me go ahead and show you what I ended up doing with the frames. So I did this tag, okay, and I also used this tool. This is also from Beebeecraft. So I used it on this tag, and of course I went ahead and cut one of my ballerinas and placed her on there, and just did, so you know, just it just works on its own. And on this one, of course, I just went ahead and got some Tim Holtz distress, and I distressed it a little bit so you guys could see, if I don't know if you guys could see the pinkish on it. So it came out so nice. And of course I used more of the tool right here, and then I also did this last one right here, okay, and I did cover it with tulle on the bottom as well. Now the thing on this one, you could have made it into a shaker if you wanted to, which I didn't have a chance to do, but this is what they look like, you guys. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, you guys. Well, I will link everything down on that I received from Beebeecraft down on the description below, you guys. Go over, check them out, you guys. They have amazing prices, and with the holidays and everything's very inexpensive. You can use these at any time during any season. And look at that detail, oh my goodness. As well as these frames, they are very nice, detailed. I have not seen an error on it, on these, like anything wrong with them at all. And I think they are just amazing, you guys. Well, anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch. And like I said, I will link everything down on the description below, as well as a discount code. You guys take advantage of that discount code. Oh my goodness. And we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now. And I wanted to say thank you to Beebeecraft for allowing me to showcase all your beautiful, amazing items. You guys are amazing, and thank you again. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.